Hello and welcome back to all of you to your favorite channel Gyanode. And today I will tell you 5 ways to answer the question, how are you? Firstly, you can say I am fine. The second sentence you can use is I am hale and hearty. Hale and hearty is used for showing healthy condition. Third one is I am doing well. Fourth one is I am fit and fine. And the fifth one is I am fit as a fiddle. I am fit as a fiddle is a idiom which is used to represent that a person is healthy. So these are the 5 ways to answer to the question how are you? I hope it's quite useful for you. And if it is, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Gyanode. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.